Jack. What? You want to open doors, don't you? We have to find you a box. Because I think you would like to stay in a box. What do you want to see in there? Wait a second, I can't go back on my chair unless I know where that little kitten is. What do you want there? Where's Keenie? Keenie Kai? Oh, there's Keenie Kai. Okay. What's the matter, Jack? Jack? Aw, kisses for the pussycat. Good girl, Gertie. What a good girl. Gertama Gerd. Gertama Gerd. Gerd. Where did you go, Keenie Kai? What? It's okay, Gertama Gerd. Oh, Gertama Gerd. What happened? No more Keenie Kai? You okay, Gertie? Okay. Hey, Keenie Kai, that's out for a reason. Hey, don't knock over my camera. Hey, Keenie. Don't do that. Do. And lock up those cords. Uh-oh, what's going on? Let's go see who. Yes? Okay, what happened? Puka goes running. Oh, nobody wants to go out in this weather. It's nice, but boy, is it windy. Even Mogi doesn't want to go out. Look at that wind blowing. Hapa hapa? Good, Pook. Keenie! Keenie Kai! Okay, that's it. I'm not playing with the camera right